Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Home Assistant EV dashboard integration, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your Home Assistant dashboard in a web browser. Log into your Home Assistant account with your credentials. Navigate to the Settings menu located in the sidebar. Select the Integrations option from the Settings menu. Look for the existing EV dashboard integration in the list of installed integrations. Click on the integration to access its settings. Check for any available updates indicated by a notification or an update icon. If an update is available, click on the Update button to begin the process. Wait for the update to download and install. Once the update is complete, refresh your dashboard to apply the changes. Return to the integrations list and verify that the EV dashboard is updated to the latest version. Next, check the configuration settings for the EV dashboard integration. Ensure that all necessary parameters are correctly set up. If you need to make adjustments, click the Configure button. Make any required changes to the settings for your EV dashboard. Save your changes before exiting the configuration menu. Finally, test the EV dashboard's functionality to monitor the dashboard for real-time data and performance. If any issues arise, refer to the integration documentation for troubleshooting tips. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.